Traditionally, Indian women dominate the kitchen, but Michael Pandya spends many hours experimenting with food. The correct ingredients are essential before the cook can achieve the authentic flavours that reflect Indian culture, and Michael shops for fresh vegetables at least once a week. But is it really vital the vegetables are fresh and not tinned?
Well, yes. I mean, if you're making vegetables, then it should be fresh. I mean, apart from things like potatoes and so on, but the other fresh, like leafy vegetables, they have to be fresh. And I'm glad to say that there are many shops here in Cardiff which get fresh supplies of these things once every week.
You have some coriander there.
Yes, yes. I mean, coriander is one thing which is which also intrigues people. Some people have seen coriander seeds, but not the coriander leaves. But this is very, very good. And if it is fresh like this one, you can make chutneys out of it, and you can add it to curries and other vegetable preparations, and gives a very, very sort of interesting flavor. And it's good.
Is it stronger than ground coriander?
Well, it has its own flavor. It's a fresh flavor, which is no substitute for the ground coriander. I mean, you can't use ground coriander rather than this one, or the other way around. These are okras, or we call them lady fingers. You can chop them up and make vegetables, or you can make you can slit them here and make whole stuffed ones, or some other ways as well. Now, another thing I've got here is this is what we call Karela. It's known as bitter gourd. You can chop it up, or you can do all sorts of fries with it. You can make stuffed with them, and so on.
All the ingredients collected, we returned to his family home for a quick cookery lesson, and Michael dressed for the occasion.
Here I've got the basic samosa, which has a vegetarian filling by way of potatoes and green peas. Now, all you need for that is prepare the dough, roll it out into little discs like that, cut them into half, fold them up, and bind them with the milk, and then fill them with this vegetarian filling, and they will look something like this. And I mean, you can change the shapes if you like. People do, but the triangular shape is the most popular. And all you then do is that once you have got these shapes, put them together. Don't leave them out into the open too long. If you have to leave them, then cover them with a damp cloth. Heat up the ghee or the cooking oil, and then take it there and slide it into the pan, like so. And then you can make as many as you like, and they don't take very long to cook, and they are very easy to make, and they cook rather quickly.
And of course there's got to be a side dish. How about a quick chutney to go with it?
These various savory dishes like samosas and pakoras and so on, they're rather bland, and people like to have something sharp with it to perk up the taste. And for that I've selected a very, very easy chutney. And this people eat with those savory dishes. And for this particular chutney, all you need is some green coriander leaves, salt, and green chili, one or more, depending on how hot you want it. And then this is a traditional Indian grinder known as sil and batta. And you put those things on top there, and then grind away. And then once you have ground it to the consistency of your requirement, now this will look something like this. And then all you have to do after that is add some lemon juice to it according to your liking, and mix it up. You can make it thin or thick as you like it. Now I like it medium, actually, not too thin, not too thick. And then you have the chutney ready.